Hello viewers, I am back in the channel with more interesting topic about nature. I am here to make you all aware about the destruction we are causing to the nature. Let's do something to protect the nature. The nature is most precious. Removal of the trees from an area destroys the physical habitats of many species of wildlife. The most famous spotted owl. The bird is one of many that nest and live in the dense forest. Woodpeckers, bats, and flying squirrels are some of forest fauna. They lose their homes of clear cutting. National Geographic 70% of the Earth's land, animals, and plants live in the forest, and many can't survive the deforestation that destroys their homes. Sustainable development is the development meets to needs of the present without compressing the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. Climate change continues to play a significant role in the destruction of the ecosystem. Global warming has led to the levels and ocean acidity that disturb an ecosystem's natural balance. Ocean acidification is the ongoing decrease in the Earth's ocean caused by the uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. We are living in the beginning of a mass extinction. Our climate is breaking down, but we can still fix this. To survive, we need to stop burning of fossil fuels, but this alone will not be enough. Lots of solutions are talked about, but the solution is in front of us is right of the. There is a magic machine that sucks carbon out of the air, costs very little, and builds itself is called a tree. A tree is an example of a natural climatic solution. All trees, seabeds, etc. they take carbon dioxide and locks it. Here's the crazy part: we are ignoring them. So what you should do to save the nature? It's simple. We need to protect, restore, fund. Protect. Tropical forests are being cut down at the 30 football pitches a minute. Restore. Much of our planet has been damaged but nature can regenerate. Fund. We have to stop funding that destroy the nature and give money. Time has come where we as the future of this planet we want to take action right now, as how Gutenberg told. You can't decide our future, so we just participate that she was doing to save the nature and climate breaking down. I want you all be a part of protecting the nature. Now let's take our future in our hands. Let's save the nature. Nature is most precious than everything. Please comment and please subscribe my channel and please like. Thank you for watching my video and please wait for my next video. Thank you. Save the nature.